Alright, so this is after I'm done welding. Got this piece welded in, it's still hot. I just literally just did this. I'm using the titanium welder. And it's working pretty good for me. So it's flux core, I think 0.35. It's working pretty good. So we need to bring this up and somehow mount it up there. So I might weld another piece next to it just so we have a little bit more surface area to weld to. If not, I'll figure out something else. So for now, it's pretty good.